This is example 8, part A, and we're asked to find the slope of the tangent line to the graph of this function at x equals 1. So what I'm going to do is I just want to graph this out for you real quick here, and I'm going to have to do that by rotating my screen. You won't see anything here, but okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Desmos, and I'm just going to type in that function. So we have y is equal to x to the fourth minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so it's kind of an ugly function, right? And what we want is at 1, when x, this is our x-axis, when x is equal to 1, we want to know the slope of the line running tangent to this guy right here. So let me zoom in just a little bit. Okay, let's do it one more time. What I want, again, right here, is I want the slope of the line, the slope, mind you, not the equation of the line, just the slope running through that. So if you look here, it should come out to be a positive value. So here's what we're going to do. We need to go back to our function. Okay, so let me rotate my computer here. We need to go back here, and we need to find what is dy dx at 1. So we want to evaluate the derivative of this at 1. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Well, we need to first find dy dx. I'm going to do this all out in nice steps, just like we have been doing. So we'll do just like that. Okay, and this right here is equal to 4x to the third. This is equal to negative 2 d dx of x to the third. And this is d dx still of 1, which is going to be 0. So 4x to the third minus 2 times 3x squared plus 0. So this is going to give me 4x to the third minus 6x squared. Okay, now this right here is dy dx, but we want dy dx, the rate of change, because remember this is the slope at any x value. We want it specifically at the x value of 1, so that's going to be equal to 4 times 1 cubed minus 6 times 1 squared. So that'll be 4 minus 6, which does not look right. Hang on one second. Okay, I went back and I changed my function to what it should be. I missed the third power there. And so once I have that third power in there, now you'll notice that the slope is negative in here. And the slope right there is going to be negative 2. So let me just write that in there. Now this negative 2 is not the equation of any tangent line. Okay, it's not the whole equation, it's just the slope of the tangent line. So all it gives us is, if we were to draw a tangent line in right here, its slope, if it touched right at this point, its slope would be negative 2.